Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling virtualization and verifying your Virtualbox version. These matter because import compatibility depends on them. Once done, locate the OVA or OVF and any accompanying VMDK files so you won't be interrupted mid-import. Now open Virtualbox and select File, then Import Appliance to launch the wizard. You'll immediately pick the OVA/OVF. Make sure the file path is correct and that the file is not corrupted before proceeding to the configuration step. You'll now see the appliance settings screen where the how and why matter. Change CPUs and RAM to match your host budget so performance is predictable. For networking, pick NAT versus bridge depending on whether you need internet-only or LAN visibility. Adjust MAC addresses if duplicates could conflict. Also inspect storage controller types and disk format. Changing controller or format can prevent boot failures. Once satisfied with these detailed choices, proceed to import and let Virtualbox convert virtual. You should power on the VM and watch the boot. Install guest editions to enable better graphics, clipboard, and shared folders because they improve usability. Once the VM boots and is stable, take a snapshot so you can revert if needed and adjust devices or shared folders. If the import fails, look for version mismatches, missing disk files, or UUID conflicts. In that case, change the VM UUID, match Virtualbox versions, or re-export from the source and retry the import. This usually resolves common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.